Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll show you how to hide apps from your iPhone home screen using screen time settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to enable Content and Privacy Restrictions by toggling it on. Next, select Allowed Apps and Features. This is where you control which apps appear on your home screen. Now, simply toggle off any app you want to hide. For example, if you want to hide the Wallet app, just turn it off here. Remember, this only hides the app from your home screen. It doesn't delete it. The app remains installed on your device. Go back to your home screen and you'll see the app is no longer visible. And that's it. You've successfully hidden apps using screen time restrictions on iPhone. This method works for both parental controls and personal privacy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iOS tutorials.